So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be the 26th challenge in 30 days of React JavaScript. So here you can see we have another problem statement, which is we have to create an accordion component using React and React hooks. An accordion typically consists of multiple sections and only one section is expanded at a time. So for your reference, if I navigate to Bootstrap version 5.2, so it is basically a framework, and you can use it for writing faster HTML. So I will search for accordion. We have, so you can see this is something which is called accordion. So on click of it, it will get expanded, and the content you can see here. So we have to make this, and this is basically the Bootstrap accordion, but we have to make a custom accordion using React and React hooks. So let's get started. So first of all, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the awesome videos. So let's get started. So we will create React arrow functional component export. Now I will create some array of objects for our accordion item. So I will write title, and content. Content for title 1. Same, I will copy this and paste it here. I will write title 2, content for title 2, title 3, content for title 3. Now in the JSX, I will call one component which is yet to be defined, accordion, and I will pass items as a prop, and I will pass this array of object inside the items. Okay, so now I will define this. I will write const accordion is equals to arrow function, and it will accept one items which we have passed here. We will return the JSX. We will write const, we will write div accordion container, and inside I will map the items. So I will write items.map item and index. I will make one div, format the document. I will pass the key as an index. Keys are basically a string attribute you should include when you are creating array of elements. Now I will write class name. I will write accordion item. Inside I will write accordion title. I will write item dot title. Here we will show our title, and then I will make another div. I will give a class name which is toggle icon. Now inside this div, I will write index equals to active index. So active index is going to be the index. So we will toggle this active index on the basis of the React icons. So for that, you can navigate to React icons. Okay, sorry, my spelling is wrong. So you can navigate to the first link, which is the React icon, and scroll down, and you will see a basic usage for the installation. And here you can see we can import this FABR icon, and you can use like a component naming convention. So you can use this. So let's get back to our code. We will create one use state. I will write active index. Final will be set active index, and initially it will be null. Okay, so on the basis of the active index, we will toggle our angle. So for that we have to import two icons. First is import FA angle down, and second one is the FA angle up. From react icons slash FA. So FA is a naming convention for that. So initially we will show FA angle up, and on the click of the accordion icon we will show FA angle down. So that is something you can toggle the states. And now after that, after this div, we will write index if equals to active index, and then we will show our content. So we will write div format the document, and inside we will write item dot content. Okay, so let's give the class name also, accordion content. So after saving this file, if I navigate to my server, which is localhost /challenge 26, okay, something is wrong in the console. It is saying use state is not defined, so I have to import the use state from React. Now it should work. So you can see the data here, but the thing is it is not toggleable currently, so we have to update the final state for that. So we will make one on click function on the accordion title, and we will pass a callback function. We will write handle click, and we will pass the index. On the basis of the index, it will toggle the accordion. So const handle click is equals to arrow function. We will accept one index here. Now we will update the final state, set active index. So we will check if index is equals to active index. If it is true, then set to null, or if not, then index. Okay, so now if I click on the title, you will see the content for title 1, again content for title 2, and if I click on title 3, then you will see content for title 3. So our basic accordion has been created. Now we will modify some CSS for that. So let's move to CSS part. So here you can see we have the accordion.css. Now we will write some CSS for that. So first of all, we will write for accordion container. So we'll copy this class name, paste it here. We will write width to be 300 pixel, margin 10 pixel, top and bottom, left and right auto. Now we will write for accordion item. So I will copy this, paste it here. We will give some border 1 pixel, solid, triple D. Now I will give margin bottom 8 pixel. I will give border radius 4 pixel, overflow to be hidden. I will add some transition also. So I will write transition background color 0.3 seconds ease. Now I will check for the active. So I will write accordion item dot active. I will give the background color F0 F0 F0. Now I will write for the accordion title. So I will copy this class name, paste it here. I will give padding 12 pixel, cursor to be pointer, display to be flex, justify content, space between, align items, center, font weight to be bold, background color to be white. Now I will write for the toggle icon we have. So I will copy this, paste it here. I will increase the font size 1.5 em. Now I will copy this accordion content, give some padding 12 pixel. So that is something we have. So now okay, our CSS is not working because we have to import our CSS file here. So I will import my accordion.css. accordion.css. Now you will see something like this. We have the title, we have the title 2, and we have the title 3. So that is something we have created our accordion component using React hooks and some custom CSS. And you can also explore this React icons website. This is basically a wonderful website for the icons using in React. So you can also explore this website for your reference, and you can add some more CSS, makes this UI attractive, and try adding some more functionalities. So yeah, this is it. We have a basic usage for an accordion component. And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt regarding this, so let me know in the comment section. And till then, thank you for watching.